Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the sum function in SQL. In our previous two videos we have discussed about SQL count function and SQL average function. So these count, average, sum, minimum and maximum functions are the aggregate functions. This aggregate function allows you to treat the values of multiple rows as an input based on the certain criteria to form a single resultant value which will have more significant meaning. This means that you can perform certain calculations over thousands or millions of rows by using these aggregate function. Now in this video we will be discussing about the sum function, and the definition of this sum function is that it returns the total sum of a numeric column. Now we have a table here which is email data dot promotional mail. In this promotional mail table we have details about the email opening time as well as email receiving details for each and every subscriber. So what we can do is that we can simply select a star from this table, and then we'll run this query. In order to get the total number of email that has been opened on a single day, we have to get the sum of a particular column or any of the column which basically specifies that whether the email has been opened or not. But in this table, if you can see, the column mail opened is a text column. It's not a numeric column, right? So what we can do is that we can simply use a if condition, and then we can convert this mail opened text value into numeric value. So let's do that. So I'll write select star from this table, okay, and instead of star what I'll do is that I'll simply use the send date column, and then what I'll do is that I will write the if condition if mail underscore opened is equal to no, then put 0, else put 1 as mail opened, right? Now if I run this query, you will have your mail opened column converted into numeric, right, where you have 0 and 1. Now you can take the sum. So what we'll do is that we'll simply put a sum here function, and we'll close this bracket. Now if I use this sum function here, then I have to put a group by at the last, because we want the email opened for all of these dates separately, right? So I'll use group by this send date so that we can have a summarized view of total number of email that has been opened on a particular date. Now if I run this query, you will see that on 1st of July you have 2187 email that has been opened, while on 2nd of July you have 2137 email. So this is how basically you use the sum function for a numeric column to get the total summation of that particular column. Now if you want to understand or learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right side of this video to watch my other SQL videos. Else, if you want to learn about Excel for data analytics, you can click on the left side of this video. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.